Welcome to the AC Guys YouTube page. Today we're going to show you the after effects of what happens to your old units. As you can see here, this is a giant claw, and right here we have a bunch of different types of old units. Some are makeup air units, package units, different type of blowers. As you can see right here, this is a giant blower wheel. Some of these are old furnaces right here and here. Yeah, we're gonna just see this giant claw here at BB Recycling. Go forward a little bit as we see the action. As you can see here, this is all just metal, so it's just getting destroyed by this claw as it's getting taken up. Here was a blower wheel again. Here's another one. It's taken away and dumped. There you have it. This is what happens when we take your old units away. They just get recycled. It's been the AC Guys, and you have a great day.